Good day guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a storybook in Gemini. So in order to start, just open up Gemini, open up a new window, and you need to get your story right. So let us ask Gemini with this prompt. So the first step is going to be just using a prompt to generate the script, as you can see, for the storybook. And after that we will just switch to create image tool. And then, or from here as well, you can do it, and then we will create the actual visual for it. So just choose the thinking model. It's a little better. I mean, I would actually say way better than the fast. And then, as you can see, we can just start generating images from this. All right, so as you can see, we have 10 pages, just like I requested. And now we can generate the image itself. And after that, after we have a script, just type in generate concept art. Like this, okay? And now it's creating an image. And the model locks in the texture and design, ensuring that specific blue robot is the only one Gemini will use for the rest of your story. So if you're good with this, you can, proceed and create your full storybook. If not, you can of course adjust and create your modifications. So this is of course pretty basic, but we can improve further as we go. Okay, and now another prompt. So say something like this and create. And now the model will calculate the necessary camera angles and lighting shifts for all 9 frames at once, preventing any visual drift. And once the grid is generated, you can just extract the frames if you wish, and Gemini will separate the grid into 9 individual high-res images. So that's pretty much it. Just wait for your final result. And then you can just download your storybook onto your computer. So that's it for this one, guys. There you go. Enjoy the video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.